Hey guys, welcome to Tech Ace Guru. Today we'll be learning how to quick add someone on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to quick add someone on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and in order to quick add, either you can see the person with the profile icon with the plus at the top right corner of the screen, or you can just go to your friends section at the bottom of the screen. You can see guys, there is the two persons icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap over there, and again from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the person with the plus icon. Tap on over here, and similarly guys, you will be on the same place over here. You can see, so over here guys, you will be able to view all of your quick adds on this list. If you don't see the person you were searching for, you can just refresh it and they will be available certainly over here if they're on Snapchat. And with that being said guys, you can see your contacts from over here. Also you can add them on Snapchat from over here. And let's go back, and over here let's add somebody guys, and you can see guys, we have added somebody on from the quick add list. And this is how to quick add someone on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.